Hi, I am Bernd Kiltz, and today I will talk about reamping. Reamping, what is this and what do I need it for? Okay, there are two main reasons why I use reamping. One, I can record the guitar and change the sound and the amps and stuff later. And two, I use it for sound programming. What you need for reamping is, of course, the XFX2, a computer, laptop, Mac or Windows, and you need the USB driver for the XFX2. You can find it here under support on the G66 EU site. Support, fractal audio. And it's here under download drivers. For OS X or Mac, you use this one, and for Windows, you use this one. Download it, install it, and one piece of advice, restart your computer even if it doesn't say so. Just a precaution. Okay, you have installed the driver. Now you need a software, a multi-track recording software like Ableton Live, Logic, Cubase or GarageBand and whatnot. Okay, you download this, install it, you probably already have it installed, and I use Ableton Live here. If you don't have any recording software, just go to ableton.com and download the free demo. It can do anything this one can except saving the project, and you can try it out and use it for sound programming even with a demo. Great stuff. Okay. First, you have to set up Ableton Live so it communicates with the XFX2. So you go to Live, that's for Mac. This is Preferences. Don't be confused, my Mac is in German, but I will explain it to you in English. You go to Live, Preferences, that's this one, or you just press Command, comma. On Windows, this would be somewhere here under File, somewhere here below. Then you go to Audio, and you choose the audio input, XFX2, and you choose the audio output, also XFX2. Then you go to Input Configuration and activate all inputs. There should be yellow here, or whatever color you have in your color scheme. That's it. It's preset to 48 kilohertz. This is the operating frequency of the XFX, and just leave anything as it is. So then you want to set up the audio channels. I just deleted them so we can see how this works. You just click here with the right mouse button and say create audio track. Create audio track, that's it called. And you put the input, which you can activate here under I/O. You put the input to 1, 2. You must excuse my little computer, it's a bit slow because it records all I explained to you at the same time, and it's a little bit much for him. So, poor computer. Don't blame him. And also I want to say the noise you hear is also from the MacBook Pro. It's not from the XFX. Okay, so this one is to 1, 2, then you make another audio track. And you put the input to just 3. Then, very important, you have to switch off any software monitoring. And in Ableton Live you can just choose off here. And then you enable both channels for record. I mute the other channels because we just want to hear the guitar sounds. And then you play something and you see both channels have an input signal. And I go here to my favorite sound. It's 25 at the moment. Just a preset. And then I record something. Put the record button. And then I switch to the other view of Ableton Live and hit spacebar. And then it records. Okay, and we can have a look. It recorded everything as it should. Now we will listen to what we have recorded. I press solo here and we listen to this one. This is the processed signal coming out of the XFX2. And now we will listen to the other track. And that's the signal that's coming into the input, and it goes directly via USB to the computer. And the fun thing now is I can send this back to the XFX. What I have to do that this works is I have to press I/O, go to page 2 of the I/O menu, and then I choose USB. Very important. Make sure you have this channel soloed, so only this channel goes to the output, because everything going out to the XFX will be processed via the amp model and stuff. Now I hit play. Okay, sounds exactly like the first track we recorded. But now I can change it. Listen. If you put a cycle in here, so it repeats every time, you can program your sound, choose the amp models, choose the right cabinet simulations. Very great stuff. Okay, we now want to record this sound with the same thing I've played before. So we go to the other page here and put in another audio channel. Put the input to 1, 2, because the XFX is able to send it here and then record it back with the processed signal. Very great stuff. So you can layer 10 amp models if you want over each other. Makes a very fat sound. So I just go here, hit record on the new channel. Very important. You have to put the software monitoring off, otherwise you will get very weird results. This one's on solo, this one's on record, and go. Record here. Okay, now we switch the input of the XFX back to the guitar. Oops, there it is. Input 1. And we can hear what we just recorded. So we mute the direct signal and play back the two other. Unfortunately, they are not in sync all the way, but this is no fault of the XFX. It's just because I record the screen at the same time and it's too much for the laptop to process. So normally this is spot on with the timing. You can try it out, it's no problem at all. Okay, that's the tutorial for reamping, and I hope you have learned something. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments. If you like it, press the like button on YouTube. And if you like it even more, you can subscribe to my channel. There will be coming many more tutorials. So, see ya. Bye.